Alright guys, welcome to part 4 of the video, and so my plan with these is I was hoping they would come with a little bit of a longer wire, but hopefully they'll be just fine. They should work automatically with this here connector on some of the drones that I have, such as I think the Moblite 7 should run with this. And I would have to double check if there's any other drones that run with this. I think maybe Emax drones will run with this connector. I will, or at least I'm planning to at least convert one of these or more, depending on how well it turns out, so that I can use it with the Iron Quad, which is a beta FPV model. So we'll see how that goes. The battery looks a little bit shorter than some of the other.
Likey.